Ever felt like managing a project is just juggling flaming swords while riding a unicycle? Yeah, me too. But guess what? It doesn't have to be that way. In this video, I'm breaking down 5 simple and game-changing steps to make project management a breeze. Let's dive in. Project management is like having a superpower. It turns ideas into reality, keeps things on track, and saves you from disaster. But without it, projects spiral into missed deadlines, budget nightmares, and pure frustration. Tell me in the comments, what's your biggest project management struggle? If you've ever worked on a project, you've met these troublemakers. Missed deadlines, you plan everything perfectly, and then, BAM! Delays appear out of nowhere. Budget overruns, hidden costs sneak in like a ninja, leaving your budget crying in the corner. Communication failures, one miscommunication, and suddenly you're redoing an entire phase. Scope creep, your simple project suddenly has 10 extra features, and you're drowning in extra work. Sound familiar? Don't worry, I've got 5 steps to help you fight back. Step 1. Be super clear on what you're doing. Define your project scope like a pro. No vague goals, no we'll figure it out later. Lock in your objectives and set boundaries, so everyone knows what's in and what's out. What's one project you wish had a better defined scope? Drop it in the comments. Step 2. Make a killer schedule. Not a wishful thinking schedule where everything goes perfectly, a realistic one that includes delays, roadblocks, and breaks. Yes, you need breaks. Use Gantt charts, Kanban boards, or good old sticky notes, whatever keeps you on track. Step 3. Communication. If your team isn't on the same page, you're heading straight for disaster. Use tools like Slack, Notion, or even good old-fashioned talking to keep everyone aligned. And pro tip, weekly check-ins are a lifesaver. Step 4. Keep an eye on the prize. Track progress, monitor budgets, and adjust before small problems turn into big disasters. Project management isn't about perfection, it's about adapting fast. Finally, step 5. Flexibility. No project goes 100% as planned. The best managers roll with the punches and make adjustments on the fly. Stay calm, stay adaptable, and trust the process. Before we wrap up, here are 2 quick-fire bonus tips. Use the 80-20ths rule. 80% of your results come from 20% of your efforts. Find what's really moving the needle and focus there. Celebrate small wins, every milestone counts. Recognizing progress keeps the team motivated and engaged. And that's it, 5 simple steps to mastering project management without the headaches. Which step do you think is the most important? Let me know in the comments. And hey, if you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more awesome tips. See you in the next video.